Hello, and welcome to the Cycles Report for Wednesday, October 9th, 2024. More similarities than differences. Wednesday brings an opportunity to sit with the aspects from Tuesday, as our only major astrological event is the moon moving from Sagittarius to Capricorn at 5:38 a.m. We are likely to feel a shift from the expansive fire energy to the Saturn ruled Capricorn structural energy. We are likely to find today and tomorrow colored by repairing things or making plans for something. We want to use this time to consolidate the open activities before going into Aquarius, where they will be given an opportunity to grow again. We are still in the crescent phase of inward perseverance and challenges, so know it is coming to a close soon. The Sun and Earth give us direction with a retired sea captain and two prim spinsters. We can already see the opposition of the life experiences these characters might have lived. Our energy may be pulled toward reminiscing about the good old days or exchanging war stories with those who we have similar life experiences. Guard against crying over spilt milk and view mistakes as learning experiences. The groundedness comes in looking at the earth and the prim spinsters. We can also see the Capricorn moon flavoring the symbol, as the spinsters teach us to keep an open mind and listen to all sides of an issue before making a decision. Alienating others through excessive criticism is warned against. In life, we are given the choice to look at the other with curiosity or fear. Choose to be childlike and curious.